What's up, everybody? In this video, we're going to be looking at an older video that I thought I posted, but I didn't. That's actually from last year, right around July-ish. I made a purchase, and for whatever reason, I never shared it out there. I had a lot of stuff going on towards the end of last year, and a lot of videos that I recorded accidentally got deleted. Lucky for me, this one is still here, and I can present that to you right now. Let's check it out. Oh, man. Check it out. We got a little box here. What's in this box? What's in the box? What's in the box? This is my first time ordering from Gainesville Coins. So in this video, I'm going to give you guys like a little review of what it's like to deal with Gainesville. Like I said, my first time buying, so I'll walk you through the process of what it was like compared to, say, APMEX or Modern Coin Mart. And then, of course, we're going to bust this bad boy open and find out what exactly is in here. I'm super pumped about it. I hope you guys are too, so buckle up. Let's go. Come on. Alright guys, so like I said, we ordered this from Gainesville Coins, and my first time ordering from these guys, it was pretty flawless. It was pretty effortless. You know, it was no different than maybe going to APMEX or Modern Coin Mart, things like that. It was very similar to kind of buying from those guys. And I will say this coin that I have in here was on a shipping delay because this is very, very new. So there was a shipping delay. I think it wasn't supposed to ship until the 20th of July. It's now the 16th of July. So it actually got here a little bit sooner than I originally thought it would. So that's awesome. So the box is going to be wrapped in some plastic that keeps any moisture, wetness out of it. I definitely like that. I appreciate that. And at this point, this looks like something that you'd see in a movie, and when you cut this thing open, you're gonna find some of that grade A cocaine in there. You know what I mean? I feel like a DEA cop ready to bust the criminals and whatnot. So let's go ahead and see if we can cut this thing open here. Definitely sealed up really, really well. Got that security tape along the side. Both sides. You got there we go. They really do box this up well. Good job, Gainesville. Good job, Gainesville. All right. So I think we're making progress. Maybe not. I don't know what's happening here. Maybe this is taped down too. Me oh my. So if you're going to order from Gainesville, make sure you have like a chainsaw or a hatchet or something that's like massively big, because you're going to spend a little bit of time opening this up. There we go. All right. Got a few things in here. Look at this. This is, I got to tell you guys, before you even get into this is hands down the absolute best shipping that I have ever seen for any bullion anywhere. I'm talking APMEX, JM Bullion, Provident Metals, Modern Coin Mart, you name them. They're not shipping stuff as well as this. APMEX does a pretty good job with their boxes, but not this many layers of security. So you got your box, you got your plastic, you got your box, you got your tape, you got your security tape. Then you open that up, you've got foam padding inside. And you've also got more cardboard to protect the coins. More cardboard, we got my invoice, we'll get that out of the way here. And then you got more foam. So you got plastic in a box. You got a box in plastic, then you got it taped up, and you got foam, and then your coins inside the foam. So well done, Gainesville. Let's go ahead and move that out of the way. There we go. So we've got two little things here. This looks a little bit more familiar. We've probably seen these from Modern Coin Mart and the like. So first thing, we'll start off with this one. I know what this is. This is what I'm going to be giving to you guys. You know how I like to do things on this channel. I like to give back to everybody. It's something that I've been doing for a while. I don't see myself stopping to do it. So what we're about to open, you have a chance at winning. All you got to do is come hang out with me on a Wednesday. You pick whatever Wednesday. But every Wednesday at 7 o'clock Eastern, I go live and I give away tons of stuff. And this here, if we can get it open, will be one of the things. There we go. Got ourselves a 1/10 ounce. Maybe I think I cut the plastic here. This is a 1/10 ounce. Wannabe like American Eagle, right? Just a 1/10 ouncer. We throw these in the grab bags that we do. And you have a definite shot at winning one of these. It's something that I do often. I thought I got a couple of them though. Did I get more than one? I feel like I got a couple. Yeah, I did get a couple of them. So here's the other one that we got. And then this is for me. This is something that I did a video on before. It's exclusive to Gainesville Coins. Like I said, it did have a shipping delay just because these are brand spanking new. And my friends we're looking at, come on, come on. There we are. Oh my goodness, these are nice. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So even inside their package, even inside their little cardboard sleeve, they have foam. Gainesville Coins is tearing it up. All right, so there it is. The Chai Wu Chen Wang, ½ ounce. There's only 10,000 of these coins made. 1/2 clay, Comsco mint, $9.99 fine, 2017. So yes, we are in 2018, and yes, this is the 2017 coin, but they just released this. Like I said, this is the first time that they're releasing this in a ½ ounce series. There's only a mintage of 10,000 on these, so I'm surprised, honestly, guys, that these are not sold out. Anytime you have a first run of something, in my head, I expect it to sell out. And then you have that artificial limited mintage of 10,000. Again, only helps it perpetuate that selling out. Hasn't sold out yet. So if you're interested in completing your 2017 set, if you have the 1 ouncer and you're looking for the ½ ouncers, now you can do that. So let me grab the 2017 1 ounce to show you guys what that looks like. And then here we have the 1 ounce Chai Wu Chen Wang. So when we put these side by side and compare them, the difference is drastic from a ½ ounce to a 1 ounce. Obviously, it's a ½ ounce of silver, but as far as size goes, it's a much, much, much smaller coin. As far as thickness goes, it's pretty close. I mean, for being a ½ ounce, they made it a little bit thicker, a little bit chunkier. Is the detail still there? Let's take a closer look and see. The detail is still in everything. So we've got that awesome little shield. Yeah, you can definitely make out what's going on in this, as small as it is. The one thing that I'm noticing that is not on this coin, that is on the 2017 1 ounce, if you take a look at the background here, you've kind of got that muddied dirt look or the clay look. You know, it's a little bit of a, it's not a smooth surface, right? You got that little bit of a design on the back. Now the ½ ounce does not have that. The ½ ounce is smooth all the way around. So that's one difference in the coin. Let's take a look at the horse up close. Everything looks to be the same with the horse. Same chest muscles, same everything else. Yeah, you see his foot in the background, Everything else seems to be pretty close. I think the cape has some different waves in it. If you're looking at the cape, slightly different. And then the tassel on the top. Seems to be about the same. So, I mean, all in all, it's about the same coin. I mean, this is something I brought up when I saw this 1 ouncer originally. I did enjoy that textured background feel. That's something that I do find alluring to the eye. Whereas this one being a matte finish of sorts, it's just, it's a little plain. But again, it's just a kind of a complete the set here. I purchased these with the intent of flipping them down the road. 2 for me to keep, 4 of them to flip down the road. Who knows if they're going to be worth money? Who knows if they're going to carry a premium? It is a Comsco mint. They're not very popular. The coin is very cool. It does look very badass. We didn't look at the other side. Let's take a look here on the other side. Same thing. Actually, on the other side, you still have that textured feel over here. See on the background, it's got that textured look. On the reverse of the ½ ounce, you have that. You still have it there. That textured feel. So let me just check these other coins. I just want to see if maybe that was an error. No, they're all kind of a matte finish there. But they do have the textured feel on the back. I wonder why they didn't include the textured feel on this side. That's interesting. So I do have a question for you guys, those of you that maybe have this coin or you know more about this stuff than me. Where can I get capsules for these? Because I absolutely need capsules immediately. These things aren't even wanting to stay in these little flips that they're in. And to be honest, the plastic that these flips are in, they don't feel good. They feel cheap. This feels like the kind of plastic that will cause these coins to milk over time. So for me, first thing I'm doing, I'm looking for capsules for these. I'm gonna get these bad boys put in capsules. I don't like the fact that these coins are just in there like that. Like, I'm gonna have to take a closer look and just make sure none of these are dented and dinged. I mean, I can see it here on the edges. Let's get that in frame. Actually, you can see on the edges they're scratched up a bit. They're banging around inside of here. Definitely don't like that. But as far as the way that Gainesville packaged everything, that was on point. That was great. So my time frame, I got to be honest with you guys, because this coin was on a delayed time shipment, I can't really tell you how quickly they shipped with regards to when I ordered it. But when the the check cleared and everything, that was all done. I mail a check in, by the way. So what I do is I'll mail these guys a check. That gives me a reduced rate, so I'm not paying with a credit card or PayPal. Then it'll take a couple days for them to get it. Once they receive it, they cash that check out. They wait about 10 days. It's a 10-day wait period to make sure that those funds are there and that it clears. And then after that point is when they would ship out your item. In my case, like I said, there was a delay in shipping because it was just a brand new coin. So it did ship out early. Like I said, this wasn't supposed to arrive or at least ship until the 20th of the month, and it's the 16th today. This was actually arrived at the P.O Box like 2-3 days ago, but there was just a little glitch. So I was able to wait a couple days to get my hands on it. All right, well, that's all I got for you guys in this video. Again, this was the half-ounce Chai Wu Chen Wang coin. If you like what you see, you want to see more just like it, click that subscribe button down below, and also that like button. That goes a long way with YouTube. You clicking that like button lets them know that you want to see more stuff just like this. So it benefits you and me both, guys. And remember, check this out too. Every Wednesday, 7 o'clock Eastern, I give away a whole bunch of cool prizes. This is going to be just added to the prize pool. Come hang out with me. It's a good time. It's a good hang. We look at some fun coins and stuff. But that's it for me, everybody. I'll talk to you again real soon. Peace out, YouTube.